It is great to homestead. It's an amazing feeling, just the prospect of owning your own home. But I'm just here to share with you things that people don't tell you. It is the cost of just doing the homestead. So I'll get straight to the point. For us, the first thing was obviously buying the land. But for political reasons, I'll not share, disclose. You can inbox me, I'll disclose the cost of the land. But I'll start from us identifying the land as raw as it is, and we wanted to fence the land. So just fencing along of the 2,000 square meter land that we got. It included buying the poles, 2 bags of cement, the concrete stones, and the fence itself. The total cost was $1,300 for the fence and the poles. And I'm grateful for my friends who came to help. So the labor, I would say, we managed to do it ourselves with our friends to fence, but we might probably put the labor at $300 for the labor alone. So yeah, we can put it at that cost. Then we had to now get water. We paid our diviner to come, $100 for him to peg where we would put our bore, and he came after I had pegged our bore and he drilled for us. The total cost was $2,700 for drilling the bore, and this is a 60-meter bore, so it was very pricey. And we got to install the bore afterwards, so buying that security box, buying the rope, buying the electric cable, buying the pump. The cost for that was $700 for us to buy everything and have it installed. And we had to bring our architect to just design a plan for us. That's our architect there, Mr. Mparuta, very good friend. He charged us $100 for designing our plan. And once our plan was designed, we involved the builders now, and the architect who was on site as well, to set out the plan for us. And just setting out the plan was $100, and as well as then paying the guys who would dig the foundation. The total cost for that was $150 to dig the foundation and to set out. The total was $150 at a very negotiated price, actually, very negotiated. And we moved on. We needed quarry dust. I went to buy in Domboshawa Mountains there, the quarry dust. That tipper there is my tipper loading my quarry dust. That costed me $150 to get to the site. And I also was asked to buy river sand. I negotiated with these guys, that one truck just to come with that river sand. It's $40 at a negotiated price. That's what the cost is. I don't even know where they get the sand. They're sand poachers probably. But they got that for $40 just per truck. So I need the one truck, and I had to buy bricks as well, at Better Bricks, and the bricks costed me $500 for 5,000 bricks. And then I had to buy cement at Homestead's. My starting bags of cement for just the first side of the house that I'm building, the 2 rooms, they said I should buy 20 bags, so that's 20 bags here, which is $10 per bag. That's $200. And the setting out was done, and now the build is started. The builders, for just coming to do the first rooms, they've charged me $450 to build the 2 rooms, the side of the tiny house, $450 for their labor. And I haven't even shared about the transport costs and other hidden costs that you'd incur even for their own the food they eat, just for them to be on site. But this video, its intention is just to tell you that there is so many costs that are involved when you are starting out on a raw land. But I'll post a sheet, I think, privately if you want, of breaking down the cost of what we have incurred so far on this build. But building and owning a homestead, it is very costly in a way. but I just thought I would share this in no particular order, and I hope it will just open your mind to know what to expect when you start the journey of building your own homestead. I hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to the channel, share, like, and comment. I hope I'll do a proper video where I'll just break down the cost of certain things nicely. But I thought I would be generous to share with you what we've incurred so far.